Hello everyone, this is Yi from Gosu Boat. Today I'm in the factory and we have two 7.5 meter easy craft boats finished and ready to be delivered. These two boats are ordered by one client. Same size, same cabin layout, just the color difference. Well, next we will show you more details about this one. If you have any info you would like to know, boat price, boat specification, details, you can contact me by my email, WhatsApp, or follow my YouTube channel. I will share the finished boat videos every week or feedback videos about this. Well, next we will go on board and show you more details about this one. Two units of 7.5 meter easy craft boat. The pontoon on each side. You can see on the bottom, we add lifting sticks to make the boat performance excellent.